Hello, everyone. It's Green again, back at you with another crypto analysis. Hopefully, brother, market breakdown and analysis. Uh, Hopefully, everyone had a great weekend. I understand nerves may be a little high because of all the bleeding that the market has done, and I didn't get on with a market breakdown intentionally because when the market does what the market does, it's we just have to keep our hands steady. I've been in forex for a long time, and you see these wild swings also in forex when you're dealing with trading forex pairs. Uh, we got to remember that cryptocurrency is still in its infancy stages. It's still just in the beginning. Well, so we want to look at this. This is just the altcoin total market cap, and we see that it has just since early December, November, it went from 228 million to 1.48 trillion. And when you see this type of rise, this strong rise, you can expect a market correction. I saw it here. This trend line, I drew this trend line several days ago. When it broke, I saw what was happening. Unfortunately, it was at nighttime when I was asleep, so I didn't get a chance to close my trades. It actually went back up. This is on a 4 hour. It went up to retested this trend line again, and it pushed down. This is expected. These boxes I've drawn were already there. This is the levels that I expected the trade to go back to, just like I'm expecting it to go down again to this level, or maybe to here. But it's not going to go push past this box just yet. It's going to retest it, but we can expect a pullback here. But overall, we're still in a bullish trend cycle. We're still in a bullish cycle here. We're still in a bullish cycle. These levels here, if you look at it on the weekly, this is 618 is the golden ratio on the Fibonacci using the Fibonacci's. This was exactly where it went to this 618 region, and so this is normal, even though it may be market manipulation by some. We could say, Elon Musk said what he said. The Chinese government doing this, but this level, this strong move, even though it was fast, it went back to this level. And just as strong as the push it was to the upside, it needed a healthy correction, which is healthy. The 618 is the golden ratio. If it would have went to the 71786, we can expect it to go back to meet this high. But because it hits right around the golden ratio, we can expect it to go up to the 272 at least, the 1.86 trillion mark. So y'all buckle y'all seatbelts. I'm not saying go out today and buy crypto, but right now it's in a healthy place. Also, let's look at the Bitcoin dominance. I actually drew to map this one out a few days ago. We was looking at it on the monthly. We understand that Bitcoin had never been this level of Bitcoin dominance versus the other crypto tokens were always it was roaring above 70%. And all of a sudden it took a dive. Altcoin season came. Now it went straight just to this level. It hadn't been to this level since April 18th. May 1st of April 8, of 2018. So it's still in this area, and what I'm expecting is another little correction. Another little correction here. It's gonna go down a little bit here before it takes off again. But we're still in altcoin season. Let's look back at altcoins. Now, a total market cap, we're still in a powerful uptick. A powerful uptick. So, like I said, we got to hold steady hands. Me personally, I didn't sell not one crypto. And if you one of the students, you're earning crypto through staking, so your wallets will recover. Your wallets will recover. There's nothing to be worried about at this moment. Uh, right now, what I want you to focus on is think about any token that you wish you could have had before it took off. You're like, man, I wish I could have got that token, and I wish I could have got it. Well, now is the opportunity. You don't have to wish for it. You can get it. One of my favorites, one of my favorites that I really believe in where it's going, and it's always been one of my all-time favorites, and I actually sold, and I hate I did. Is Link, Chainlink. Chainlink is going to be used on every crypto network that's out there. It's going to be used in out there on a lot of different networks. It is on the Ethereum network. You can expect to hear about Chainlink on the Dot network when Dot mainnet launches. It just signed a deal with Hedera. So Chainlink is a utility token, which is behind the scenes. It stores. It's an Oracle protocol. This is one token that right now this is a healthy level of correction for the for this token. It hit this area, and so what we can expect is a push to the upside to the next levels. It's already hit $52 right now. It's at 24. Right now, this is a good buy. I'm hoping that it pulls back a little bit. I missed it this morning, but I'm hoping that it pulls back into this area a little bit before it takes off. And if it does, then I'll go ahead and buy. Um, but right now, everything's green across the board. It's been red for several days. Not gonna get happy because we see green today and start buying. I'm gonna wait till a red day, and when it's a red day, then I'm buying me some more Link. I'm buying more Link. Everybody have their favorites, and like I said, so you do what you feel best for yourself. If you can't invest, some people maybe say, I'm tapped out or I don't understand what's going on, but I could just tell you, I've seen this before. Last year at this time, Bitcoin was only $6,000, and right now it's trading around 36, 38,000. At this time last year, Ethereum was trading around $200 to $300 a token. Right now, it's trading up over, what is Ethereum right now? Ethereum is trading Bitcoin. Let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum is trading. If I have it in my favorites, yes, I do. Right now, Ethereum is trading at $2,400. So, I mean, it's nothing to be worried about. The market is still growing. We can go back. Let me clear some of this clutter off the page. We go back to months. So we go back to, this is February of 20, May, April, June, right up in here. With 281 a token, and it went all the way up to $4,300. So overall, from 281, it's still trading at $2,400. And so the market is still growing. There's nothing wrong with the crypto market. I would just say, just hold and be steady. It sucks when you get in on the high end and then you see your money look like it's shrinking. But just remember, you only lose money when you sell your tokens. When you buy high and sell low, that's when you lose. If you hold your tokens and let it get back to at least to break even, then that's more ideal. But like I said, we're in a healthy place looking at these charts, so I wouldn't be worried so much about selling at this moment, getting out. Don't think, oh man, I made a mistake getting into this crypto. Hey, it swings, it swings, it swings. I get it. That sucks when you're on the bad end of a swing, but it does swing. It swings. So, like I said, I encourage you guys to continue to hold steady. The market is going to turn and it back to a bullish cycle. So when it does, you already want to be cocked and loaded, and you can hedge your positions by buying more of the same token, buying at a lower price. So when it moves up, when the token moves up 100%, guess what? You already up in profits because you bought in when you was down 50% in your wallet. So this is really over the next few days going to be good chances, opportunities to get in. Once this market bottoms out, we say that it bottoms, we determine that this is the bottom. I'm just waiting to determine if it's going to be the bottom. Once we determine, for instance, this token we're looking at Uni, once we determine that this is the bottom, that it's not going to break any lower, then guess what? I may get in. What I'm saying is, so basically, you want to look for the bottom. That's the time to get in. Not get in when you see it's moving to the top, and then you say, "Hey, it's getting to the point." This is not stocks. This is more like you buy in crypto. You buy low, buy low. See, it already went to the golden ratio, to 618. Now it's testing the 50% mark. So we just gave you example. So once in the Fibonacci, what it does, it goes back. It gives you This is a tool that was created to, and it was pretty accurate as far as when you think about normal rational thinking when people buy and sell. These levels, key levels, were actually programmed by a guy just to kind of read the market, get a feel for the market. It's not 100. It's not 100, but it is just an extra tool. And also, uh, these uh, these candles, what they do, they tell a history. They tell the history, and what you do, you can look back. If you got history over here, then you can look back and see what happened at key levels, what happened at these key levels. So that's all stuff that we do to try to break down the market to see what's going on in the world of crypto. And so as we move and go through this here, learning how to becoming a trader is also learning how to manage your risk and your rewards and manage your crypto. So anyways, you guys hang tight, stay prayerful, stay vigilant, stay looking at these charts, and be ready to snatch up these tokens, because guess what? We still gonna be crypto billionaires, or at least millionaires. This not gonna stop anything. We just gotta hang in there and weather the storm. I'll talk to you guys on the next video.